Put them in the bag.
Do you know everyone in this town?
Yeah, get them seeds out of there. Get them seeds out of there.
What do you know about Joe Nolan?
Daddy don't want them. Daddy don't want them. No, no, no. Put them in the bag. There's still some more seeds in there. A few more in there. Get them out of there. Here. Get a few more out.
What if Billy bet on herself? Well, you know what? With the money that Don borrowed, $8,000.
Yeah, put it in the bag.
That's what I count.
Put it in here. Oh, got it off. Get them seeds out of there. Stick your hand in there. Stick your hand in there.
You're volunteering me to fight. I'm volunteering you to throw one. You could lose with your hands tied behind your back.
Good, baby. That's all we got to do.